Start with the name of great Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful and gracious, who is the creator of the whole universe and king of all the things, who created the whole universe for his creation. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, dear? I hope you will be fine inside. Let me introduce myself. My name is Karimullah. I am from Janikhel Wazir. I am a simple and humble person. My hobby is playing cricket. I play cricket anytime because it is a good exercise for health. My dream is to become a CSS officer because I want to serve our country. These dreams since from my childhood. So today my topic is picture illustration phase 3. The title of my topic is a city. So according to the rule and regulation of Skyline English Academy, first rule is that to describe the action, colors and the characters combinedly. So I would like to take a step from this side. If you can watch it, this is a tree. His color is a green. This is a man. This is a woman, and this is a baby. The woman jacket color is a orange, and the shirt color is a green, and the pant color is a black, and his shoes color is also black. This is a baby. His shirt color is a orange, and the pant color is a silver. This is a childhood. His color is a pink. This is a helper. His shirt jacket color is a blue violet, and the shoes color is a orange. This is a his helmet color is orange. This is a rickshaw. According to my point of view, his color is a combination of different colors: white, black, silver, and orange, and pink. This is the other helper. He is a point to the street light, and his shirt color is a blue, and jacket color is a white, and pen color is a brown. His helmet color is also brown. This is the street light. His color is a white and black. This is an ambulance. According to my point of view, his color is a combination of different colors like white, red, silver, and black. This is the other tree. His color is a combination of two colors, green and silver. This is the other helper. His shirt color is a black, and I think this is a helmet, and his helmet color is a half white, and they are running and they are going toward these helpers. This is the two helpers. His shirt color is these are two helpers. His shirt color is jacket color is a white, and pant color is a red, and also boot color is red, and his helmet color is I think orange. These two helpers are carrying I think this is a patient on the patient cart to the hospital. This is the other rickshaw. His color, the combination of a different colors: green, pink, orange, and white. They are he is driving the driver is driving the rickshaw towards. This is a baby cart. His color is multiple colors: orange, green, black, and half white. This is a man. His color is a white, and pen color is also green, and his head color is orange. They hold the baby cart and coming forward. This is a shop. His color is a combination of different colors. If you can see that this is a green color, and the roof color is a white color, and his plain color is a aqua color. And this is a church. According to my point of view, if you can see that this is a church. His combination. This is a combination of different colors. Means his door color is a umber, and violet. His plain color is a aqua. And this is the upper face of a church. His color is also silver. According to my point of view, if you can see that this is a construction company. This is an accelerator. He is a combination of different colors. Means blue, silver, black, and this is the driver. He is driving an accelerator, and these are two helpers of an accelerator. And the two helpers of jacket colors are, according to my point of view, his helmet color is amber, and his jacket color is black, and his pen color is blue. This is a crane. According to my point of view, if you can see that this is a combination of different colors: red, white, silver, black, and also silver. And this is the other car. Is a combination of two colors: blue and white, blue and silver. This is the footpath, and this is the park area. There is a lot of baby. They were playing together, and this is a swinger. This is a swinger. The man swinger with his son on the swinger, and this is the other swinger. The two baby swinging on the swinger. This is the road, and this is the phone cap. He is the combination of different colors: white, red, black, and pink. And this other car is the combination of three colors like black, white, and pink. According to my point of view, this is a woman. He stand on the behind the tree. His jacket color is green, and pen shirt color is pink, and green pen color is a white, half white. And this other color, he is the combination of two colors: amber or orange, and other one is silver. So this is the road, and this is the bakery. This is the bakery, combination of different colors like amber, red, green, and half white. And this is the shop, and this is the home. The home is a combination of different colors. Means red, amber, silver, or half white. So this is the zebra crossing. There is a lot of people. They were coming. They were going on to the room on the footpath. So it was. So this was the first method of a picture illustration of phase 3. So I would like to summarize my picture. So city is a place where all the where there is a lot of facilities. Just like there is a lot of colleges, markets, schools, and in the daily life we will complete every necessity from the cities. So I would like to end my picture of thank you for giving me an era. I tried my best, but if I committed any mistake, then I really apologize for that. I am very thankful to the Skyline English Academy as well as Urahan, our teacher Sir Aman Rahman, to give me a golden chance to stand here and express my own view in the front of you people. Thank you once again, and may you live long and be happy.